Today we're going to look at the Eco Drying setting. This one has a light blue bar and it has the remaining time displayed after it gets started. It starts by saying Eco and then changes to the time that it's going to run for. It starts out with 210 minutes, and this is designed to save electricity. For the first batch, we're going to do a full military uniform. Pants and the top. Now this is the highest power. This is the intelligent setting. And then you have the eco setting. This is all you have to do. And it will adjust the time based on what it needs to dry the clothes. As it dries, the sensor will determine how much longer it has to go, and the time will change based on how much it needs to continue drying. This setting is designed to save power. So we're going to try it out and see how long it takes. So it's been about an hour, and these are still slightly damp. So we're going to see how much longer it takes. And it says, it went back to 210, I don't know why. But we'll wait and see. I believe this load has been going for almost 2 hours. The clothes are not super hot, but they're also not wet. There's only a slight dampness, but there's no way for me to count the energy that's been used. I don't have a counter or anything like that. So I particularly don't like waiting 2 hours for my clothes to dry. So I'm just going to put this on the regular setting, and I'm going to give it 20 minutes, but I'm only going to dry for about 5. I don't even think it really needs it. Actually, these clothes are pretty dry. So I'm just going to take them out and be done with it. Well, they need about 2 minutes of hot drying, so we gotta see what we got. So I think the econo drying is a good idea if you want to save money, but I just don't understand how it's saving money, because it just goes on and on for like what seems forever. So